Yo, I kind of like doing these walk into the video and saying, welcome, friends, family, and strangers, to another unboxing. So, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? We're doing another unboxing. As you can see, we got ourselves a Strebito. I think that's what it's called. It's 144 pieces electric precision screwdriver set. Pretty cool. Right off the bat, this is what it has. You got your actual screwdriver. It looks like a scooper of some type. The plastic poker. It looks like a drill bit, maybe. Little brush, squeezers. You got charge cable for the device. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a stand for it. Looks like your SIM card remover, some plastic ring. I don't know what that is. Oh, there's a lot to it, you guys. Look at this. Let's see. It's got all kinds of stuff. Package listings, electric screwdriver, all this. I'm not gonna repeat everything here. And like, it's pretty cool. Bits included. A lot of bits. Quantity of the bits. It's cool. All right, let's open this guy up. You get your instructions, I'm assuming. It's a nice case. Nice case. Velcro style. Ooh. Well, it opens up, yo. Oh, this is nice. Let me turn down the speaker. Look at all these bits, yo. Can they come out? Cannot be removed. But that's okay. You can move it around. That's nice. Feel like quality. Got the name of the bit on the side. I don't see like any poor. It looks like good quality pieces. They're not crappy bits, that's for sure. Oh, well, you got the little nut sockets. That's actually pretty cool, man. Huh. Reverse Phillips head. I've never seen some of these heads here. This looks cool. Straight up. Poke you. Some of these are like security locks. Really nice. Really nice. Full-on star. Alright, let's look at the actual screwdriver part itself. Came in this little tube. Oh, it's hefty. It's nice and heavy. Does it come with power? It does. Oh, the outside does not rotate, only the inside. That's actually pretty nifty. There you go. Wonder how much torque it's got. You got lights, 3 little LEDs. That is really slick. Okay. What else do we got? We got more. Oh, this is like a screen suction cup. That's what that is. Okay. I still don't know what this is. Magnetized demagnetizer. Oh, it's a demagnetizer, guys. A demagnetizer. Pretty cool. I don't think that's how it went. I think it went like this. Okay, you got your spatula. It looks like a spatula. It's nice. Machined well. You got like a scraper or a pry bar. You got a scraper pry bar. Like this peg, plastic peg. Dude, I could totally use this. When I'm working on my watches. Could use that. And this is just a manual. You get a manual screwdriver. It fits all the bits. Yep. That's pretty cool. I like that. Alright, so the manual is welcomed. Very welcome. And what we got here, what's this? Well, this looks like an extender. Extends your reach. We got the brush. I like the brush. Brush is nice. Brush is nice. Tweezers. Oh. Looks like sharp tweezers because it comes with yeah, that's pretty precise, that's for sure. Comes with a little protector, which is good. You got 2 pry bars. I think these are pry bars, I'm not entirely sure. But if you're trying to open something up, you're squeezing one thing through, you got one hand into the other, removing a screen of some sort, and then your USB-C. Look at this. Mobile phone repair tools screw memory mat. Oh, is it magnetic? It is. That's cool. Magnetic. Another pocket on the side here. Got a cleaning cloth. And that is it, you guys. That's pretty straightforward here. Let's see if we can take something apart. Actually, yeah, I need to take my lightsaber blade off of the hilt. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Oh, we're gonna need a bit. Bear with me. We gotta get this blade off. First, we gotta find the correct bit. And I feel like it might be this one here. Let's test it. Smaller. Nailed it. Alright, I was one away. Put it in. See if we can get the lightsaber in the shot without breaking something. I don't feel comfortable laying it on that, so hold on a second. There we go. So we got our screw right here. Let's see if it got the torques. Okay. I don't want to strip it, so. There you go. Needed to be coerced a little. Couldn't take the torque on itself. You turn on the light. Turn a little bit. There we go. Turn off the light. There we go. We took our blade out. Pretty cool, guys. Well, shucks, man. That's pretty simple unboxing. I'm glad you guys got to see me take apart something. I couldn't figure out what to take it apart. I was like, what could I do along with this video? And there you go. Had to use a lightsaber. Thank you, friends, family, and strangers. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll talk again sometime. I want to do a beer review, so that might be next. All right, guys. Bye.